Work done in isothermal or adiabatic processes in terms of indicator diagram. As we know that indicator diagram is a PV diagram in which pressure is taken along y-axis and volume is taken along x-axis. Now let us consider a point P on the PV diagram, on the indicator diagram, which represent here pressure position, and Q point on the volume axis corresponds to the volume. At position S on the PV diagram represent the pressure position, and correspondingly volume position is represented by QR. So assuming that the pressure is constant for this small amount of change, in that case this QR will represent the small amount of change in volume, which is dV. So in that case the work done dW is equal to PdV, right? Now total amount of work done can be calculated by integrating from V1 to V2. So work done W is given by integration of PdV V1 to V2, right, where V1 represent the initial state, V1 P1 represent initial state, and V2 P2 represent the final state of the curve. Now that work done can be calculated. Now this is pressure. This pressure is assuming constant, and this dV is the change in volume, and that can be considered length into breadth of this rectangular strip. So we can say that work done is equal to area of strip, right, area of strip. And since it is taken area of the strip, summing up of area of the strip, or basically when we are talking about the range of is from V1 to V2, so it will be added up to give area under the curve. So work done is given by area under the curve. So basically the work done in case of thermodynamical process for isothermal and adiabatic expansion, we can say that is given by area under the curve. Now when we are talking about the isobaric and isochoric processes, what should be the curves for isochoric processes? Volume is constant, right? Volume is constant. Since volume is constant, it means whatever the temperature we are providing, that is totally converted into the internal energy. And if we draw the graph for isochoric process P and V, since volume is constant, it means whatever the pressure is changing, the volume remain same. So the graph for this will be the vertical line, right? Vertical line parallel to the pressure axis. If I draw it more clearly, it will be like this: A to B, this is the pressure and this is the volume. Since the volume is constant, so work done, which is given by W is equal to PdV, small amount of work done. So volume is constant, it means the change in volume is 0, so work done is equal to 0. So in that case we can say that total energy, internal energy is being changed since temperature is being provided. Now in case of isobaric process, isobaric process means pressure is constant. Since pressure is constant, so in that case we can draw the graph P to V, that will be a straight line parallel to the volume axis. So in that case again area under this curve, let us name it as A, B, C, D. So area A, B, C, D, A, area A, B, C, D, A gives you the work done in case of isobaric process.